We're live! Welcome, Pipsters.
Good morning.
Morning, guys. Morning. From a beautiful rainy day, Mediterranean Cyprus.
Lovely rainy day.
Real thought on the day. The weather. Oftentimes it's the one thing that we can't change each day. So it makes it something really useful as a marker each day to be grateful. Why is it that in the morning we might wake up and we'll find some reason to complain? If it's rainy, we wish it was sunny. If it's sunny, we wish it was maybe more overcast or it was too hot. As opposed to saying, you know what, Reggie, it's raining today. Ain't that beautiful? Yeah.
Okay, and how's this going to benefit me today? Because, like you were saying, if we're going to start to think about the weather as it is and think, oh, I wish it was like this, suddenly your mindset is just switched. It's gone into this negative sort of flow automatically without you really wanting it to, because it's a complaint. Complaints are negative. It's never a positive complaint. So automatically, before you've even woken up properly, or you've had your first coffee, you've jumped into a negative mindset. So this is just a general sort of question. It doesn't have to be answered, but if you're listening and you want to answer it, please do. With a negative mindset, how productive and how good is your day actually going to be? From the get-go, it's a negative comment that you start manifesting in the morning. Because I know for myself, it doesn't end up in a good day. It usually ends up in me not feeling the best, maybe not very motivated, and I definitely procrastinate a lot more. On a normal day-to-day, I do procrastinate. I'm sure everyone does. It just varies depending on moods, depending on workload. And I think a massive factor is going into that would be negative thoughts or negative mindsets. So let's try not to complain about the weather as an initial positive mindset and just think, okay, how can this be good for me today? Yeah, okay, rain, how can it be good for you? Not necessarily directly for you, but for your environment. As you were saying earlier, Monk, it's good for the environment with the trees and everything and the greenery. Our nature, they need the water. They need to grow. And if they're growing, we get oxygen. Therefore, we keep living.
It's very strange, isn't it? Just the very fact that the nature around us giving us the oxygen that we need to breathe is all reliant and dependent on the rain, for example. And how we are so quick to complain and moan about it, or I mean, when it's sunny, how often do we end up complaining and saying, oh, it's too hot for me, I'm gonna get burnt in the sun. Yeah, we also need vitamin D, or else we die. And so do plants and animals in their own right. I mean, without sunlight, plants can't photosynthesize and produce the oxygen that, as Reggie said earlier, we need to survive. And it's just one of those things, guys. We've got to be very careful of what goes through our minds, especially in the mornings, because like we understand, anything can become a habit. Any repetitive and consistent method of feeling, thinking or acting can become a habit. So let's be aware, guys. Let's be grateful today, and let's find some way of putting a smile on our faces and maybe a smile on the face of someone else. Y'all take care. It's been Reggie and Monk, Early Birds. Have a wonderful day.